Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to do tomato rice. It's one of the variety rice. I'll show you how to make tomato rice in a very simple ingredients. Come, let's go to the video now. I have taken 2 big onions and 8 tomatoes. I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice in this cup. I have taken ginger, garlic, green chilli, coriander leaf. So in the mixer jar, grind ginger, garlic, green chilli and fennel seed. See, I am adding 1 spoon of fennel seed. Now I have grinded it. Cut the tomato into pieces and put it in the mixer jar. Grind it finely. Chop coriander leaves also finely. Cooking oil, ghee. Now let us see how to make tomato rice. On the stove, pour 5 to 6 tablespoons of cooking oil in pressure cooker. Seasoning, add blackstone flour for little. It's called as kalpasi, bay leaf and cinnamon. Add the chopped 2 big onions. Cook it nicely till color changes. Add little salt. See, now the onion is cooked. Add the ginger garlic paste. After few minutes, add tomato puree and cook it well. The raw smell of tomato puree has to go till that you allow it to boil. And then add washed basmati rice. Mix it well. For this 2 cups of basmati rice, I am pouring 400 ml of water. Add required amount of salt. Pour 1 teaspoon of ghee and add the chopped coriander leaves. Close the cooker for 1 whistle and keep it in sim for 5 minutes. See, now the tomato rice is ready.